Yeah, greetings St. Lucia. Apage to talk show. Equal rights and justice for once and all. Yeah, I say equal rights and justice for one and all. Get it closely in your mental, you understand? Keep it on your mental. Equal rights and justice for once and all. Yeah. Before I begin the show this morning, yeah, I just want to touch on the independence activities that passed through there, you know. It was a success in some way, you know, because a lot of Lucians went out and supported whatever activities the government had in Castries. But you know, every good thing always have a little disappointment too, you understand? They still have people who complain, well, all the activities were in Castries, and I share that support too, you know, that view, you know. I mean, it's true Castries is a city, you know, but it's not everybody that is able to go to Castries to follow them independence activities, you understand? It's true they have free bus, free transportation, but it's not everybody that have a little money in their pocket, you know. So when they reach up Castries, they go eat something, you know, do something, give a friend a drink, you understand? Whatever, you understand? You know, man must always have their vex money in their pocket, you understand? True, as well as the women. So, you know, it was a success, yeah. But Chasney, next year, you have to share it, man. Share the love, man. Put something in Vieux-Fort, man, to represent the people of the South, you know, up to Labrie, Sozel, you know. Put something in Soufrière. So Sozel people who don't want to come to Vieux-Fort will go down to Soufrière, you understand? Canaries, ancillary people will come down to Soufrière. Yeah. Let's share the love, man. St. Lucia is not just Castries, man. It's time for us to stop that bullshit, you understand? Let's put it all around the country next time, Chasney. You understand? Yeah, so let's go on to the business of the day, man. You know, y'all have not been hearing of me lately, you understand? Because things was cool, you know. On my speedometer, things was slow, you understand? Everything was running alright, you understand? Yeah, it's true we have a few homicides, you know. A few this, a few that, you understand? We'll always have things going on, man. Yeah, man. But all in all, it was alright, man. Yeah, man. Now, I want to talk to you all something concerning, you see the bomb scare that was on the VG airport? I wasn't taking that serious. Because I know, man, always giving bomb scare and police never find nobody. But, boy, that one was very serious. Je voulais féliciter la police sécurité fort. Pour ce qu'a découvert qui est-ce qui fait bombe scare ça là fort. Technology a improve, boy. Et bon, police là. Oui. Un homme midi, moi, t'en dit qu'il y a un bombe scare. Ça qui arrive, monsieur. Assez nouvelle parce qu'il fait un pays, comme disait, bah, il était fouet, so, monsieur, c'était une go nouvelle, monsieur, bah, bombe scare. So, il a fait une nouvelle un pays, hein? Ouais. Sécurité. A été fait magie pour destabilize pays for pays a aller tranquille for qui des pays a roule check will pas mener problème pays a rien pour chuter pour faire ça for non maintenant qui les radio for pour chuter pour bay bomb scare for les police vive caillou yo ka di ou aller prévu tout hein abafou moi aller boire cochon ni pour try ko pourquoi for qui problème ou ni for mais toujours do là ni plus gens fou je fold up passer dedans ça for ah non for Gade de monsieur fort, monsieur besoin un psychiatriste bail fort. C'est bail ça pas bon fort. Arrêtez ces cochonneries ça c'est cliché fort. Qui des pays à développer. Ouais, qui des pays à faire ça venir d'ouvrir mander nous pour venir d'ouvrir fort. Aïe oui. Eh, comment laisser police là pour bon travail là faire les bombes scare ça fort. Chasney. C'est pour ça me crion là oui. Oui. Yo pas ni assez travailler yo dit. Yo dit combien l'année pour employer police. Employer police ici. Se nan dit yon ni pou ka monter descendre les chiffres yo fini yo ka las for comme la pas ni assez ici pour un police station yo ouais di font ce police station là ou le pays a for se nan ka di yo ka las for so Chasney si se nom la bouger pli la main point la main ba se nom la for c'est le travail qui fait un pays a employer ce travail ça c'est police ça pour faire travail là puis se nom la for ou comprendre Chasney oui et se nom la dit moi Chasney gouverneur là ti kaka de pour ba yo yo di yo pas jeune ti kaka de ça là. Ça qu'a fait passer nom le conseil de tika de ça Chasney. Ou ka bayo yo vle bayo ça monnaie c'est pour ça qu'a vivre. C'est on toujours dette fort. C'est on toujours ni dette wom pour payer, c'est on ni dette jamais pour payer, c'est on ni dette loto yo comprendre. C'est on ni pour venir travailler tous les jours fort. Bah c'est on tika de ou ka bayo Chasney. Ça qu'a aider ces nom là pour ces nom là faire bon travail bail payer fort pour empêcher ces nom faire bail corrupter bagay ouais. Nous voulons un Senov police force, nous voulons police force qui Irie for. Nous avons toujours ni bad boy police, check li. Mais nous avons police force qui Irie, c'est bad boy là qui pas mis ça qui Irie là qui calme quoi yo team. Mais tout comprendre chasse né. So bay ce nom là tika ka devle ou ni bay yo et bay ce nom là plus police. Irie. OK. Now, mais la problème là commencer, moi désappointé il faut hein, gars moi c'est un péché il faut. Oui. Moi c'est un péché fort, moi ça me choix dit péché moi fort. Chasse ou ka fait manger puis c'est péché à fort prendre laver fort être all set ici fort chasse né. Nadou. Qui m'a ou ka fait mais mi moi mais dit péché moi là c'est lycée dit péché moi fort. Oui. Qui m'a chasse ou ka fait mes fichues fort ou fait mes fichues aller ces nom là. C'est nom là pas ni côté pour vendre pour ça yo. Acheter pas acheter tout pour ça ces moun là. Je pas ça acheter tout pour ça ces moun là. C'est me poser la glace pour mettre pour ça les ice. Ça quand état pour ça aller vendre pour ça demain comme ou fait mes fiches dans les noms là fort. Ah non chafné ça c'était wrong move fort. Ça pas te bon pièce fort. Ou pas ça fait une organisation en cette nom qui est tellement important fort. Now c'est nom là ni pression yo ka gâter, c'est nom là pas ça aller là mais because yo parler entre tout pression il passe avant, c'est gaspiller temps. Ou check li. Bah là pour transition chafné. A transition was supposed to be. The fishes are supposed to close. While it changes, the operation should be still going on, you understand? How much men lose their work after before they have nothing running? How much before lose their work? How much money in castries? You understand? It's time for the fishes to have fishermen to have the association Rasta and them to have the union too boy, unionized boy, and pension and organized for the fishermen. That is fuck you that going in the country Rasta. You closing fisheries and the man and them don't have no market to sell their fish. Huh? So what happen you fish pay the man and them the money? Fish is not owing the man and them. Guys, je même pas les conseiller by ça encore bien moi en Norvège chasse des travailleurs de ces by ça vite ouvert fichier by ces nom là pour ces nom là ça dans market pour ces nom ça vendre pour ça yo fort c'est magie fort le moi quoi zoka travail fait bail bon zoka venir mettre petit cochon parmi eux venir détruire en réputation zoka ça ouvert fichier by ces nom là fort aussi là aussi privatise mougla qui point là il fait vite ouvrir ça, c'est nom là fort pour ces noms là faire l'argent yo. Et moi pas le temps de ka douer ces noms là pour 6 mois, 7 mois, 8 mois fort. Quand ces noms là vendre pour ça yo, l'autre Fortnite bail ces noms là l'argent yo là maintenant. Fort c'est magie. Marketing board fermé. Hein? So c'est petit travail là ou ka faire l'autre côté là, ou ka point l'autre side là. Hein? Oui, airport là ka vini. Oui, airport là ka vini. Moi ils ont venu tourner, ils ont venu faire cérémonie à l'airport là, indépendant. Je vais expliquer le travail là commencé. Vous comprenez? Excusez-moi. Saint Jude's. Oui, moi, je vais grader au loin Saint Jude's. Ils ont travaillé là avec moi, c'est Saint Jude's aussi. Oui, ça bon. C'est maintenant. C'est bon. Oui. Mais, pas faire travail au côté pour travailler l'autre côté. Maintenir travail là, pour maintenance. Vous checkez? Pour là, ça flotter fort. Si vous avez lâché au côté, vous lever au côté. Ça pas balance fort. Balance là pour flotter fort. Comprenez? Et moi doit aider ces péchés à fort. Oui. Et dans l'autre bail corporal punishment là fort. Gars moi pas ça pour attaquer bail corporal punishment ça fort. Même quand les aboli ça fort, nous pour faire un plus gros juvenile center les nous aboli corporal punishment ça, comprenez? Parce que me cadeau c'est ti maman ça qui fait ta génération ça c'est maman ça pas ni pèse respect fort c'est maman ça qui respecter maman yo pas ça battre caillou check li teacher pas ça même battre maman ça à l'école là parce que maman ça ka retalier les teacher check li pas tout yon deux vous comprenez mais me cadeau fort ça ka casser chez moi pour tenir ka couple punishment fort la vérité là ni ta teacher ka malmené c'est maman là inutilement fort moi m'a passé le mal à l'école parce que ça va passer root boy à l'école pas tout teacher qui était ka ouais puis moi j'ai pour jouer check li fort comme rude boy don't tolerate no magie. You understand, rude boy? Yeah. Teachers have unjustly, punish me. You understand? And rudely and roughly. You understand? I even had to defend myself against them wicked teachers on that youth. You understand? Yeah. True. You understand? I was not violent in them days. Against my teachers, but the youth nowadays, them man violent, boy, them man punching them teachers, boy. Them man them throw up in the streets already, the struggle. After the man and them ever want to come to school, and the mother just force them to come to school, you understand? And the teacher come and give them man a rough time, because the man and them can do certain work, you understand? Or the man and them not attentive in class, you understand? But the man and them ain't care, Rasta. The man and them do have the potential to come to school, Rasta. You know, and they will come and knock them youths. It's war. You understand? So, the couple punishment, they say 20th, 1st of March 2020, it go come true. Boy, it's sad, huh? Yeah, boy. The youths can't even be disciplined at their home, boy. Follow this school, boy. So what going on in our country and in the rest of the Caribbean? Because not only in St. Lucia, they're abolishing it. I wonder, boy. Cha. Me tell them about them. I can do something for. Boy. I see what coming in my country, boy. Things stuffy, boy. The youths are calling on you all, Rasta. Put down your knees and pray. Obey your mother and your father, and your days will be great, Rasta. Don't violate rules. Rules are meant to be broken, but when you break the rule, Rasta, don't get caught. Don't get yourself in difficulty, Rasta. You understand? Because the rules are meant to be broken, and the system man break it too. You understand? Just don't get caught in your thing. You understand? Your thing with mental. You understand? Only you and Jago settle that. You understand? But they have a lot of youth that just do rowdy thing. You know, disrespect people. It's not because a man disrespect you have to disrespect a man back. You know. You share him and you just like him, Rasta. You understand? It's love. You understand? You diss me. I preach you the loving words to you, Rasta, and it's you, boy. Where you end up, you end up. After I give a damn about you where you end up because you're head hard and you don't listen, you understand? That's why I discipline my youths every day, Rasta. Yeah. And when I go to my youth school, I don't go to my youth school every day up and down, up and down. When I job my youth school 1-2 times and I give the teachers the lines and the regulations to deal with my youth accordingly, Rasta. Just don't put harm to bring harm to them, don't embarrass them, you understand? Just deal with them accordingly, Rasta. You understand? All my youth teachers know. They are my teachers. They are my youth parents, Rasta. When I in your school, Rasta, you is the mother, you is the father, so miss. You understand? So, enough miss and them just treat their youths unjustly, you know, understand? So they just bring that attitude in the school too, you understand? Yeah. But there ain't nothing, man. Couple punishment will go. They have other ways of disciplining them children, man. They have detention, yeah. They have probation, you understand? They have suspension, they have expulsion, you understand? So on the degree of your malconduct, Rasta, your youth will come just be dealt with, you understand? So nothing wrong with that. They want to stop couple punishment? Go ahead, man. That's safe, yeah. Now before I finish, man, equal rights and justice for once and all, man. Where the words have to be spoken, it have to be spoken, man. Yeah, man. I call them Black Hat, man. Veterans, man. Veterans in Spot Inc., man. What going on with the prize money and them, man? The man and them that get the special awards, man. Player of the tournament, player of the certain games, best goals. The man and them ain't get the financial reward yet, you know, Rasta. What happened to the champion, Mick? We get our financial reward yet, Rasta. What going on? Boss, man, let me know what going on, man. What's the delay in the financial rewards, man? We need it, man. You understand? Because, you know, man play the ball and man sweat, man. Man want a little change from that reward, man. Yeah, man. We tired of playing ball, you know, and other people enjoying the money, man. Yeah, man. We play ball, we win money. Share a percentage of the money with the players, man, and the other percentage we there for the club, man. You understand? If we go need transportation and whatever, we deduct the money we have spent, we put a cut aside, and we share a cut, Rasta, because, you know, man is big man and man have their responsibilities, Rasta. Yeah, man, straight. So, Mr. Malikan, I calling on you, man. Try and expedite the payment for the man and them, man. You understand? Yeah, man, straight. You all don't know, man. I get to talk show, equal rights and justice for once and all, man. Yeah, man, and I big up the SLFA, man, and the commission they have going on there, you understand? It's good still, man. And I still want to pick up Platinum, man. SC from Viewfort, man. Y'all traveling soon, man, to represent St. Lucia. I wish you all the best, man. Y'all don't know, man. Y'all is youth, y'all have the potential, y'all can knock it, y'all can do it. Just keep your just keep your faith, Rasta, and go and battle it hard for St. Lucia, man. Whatever y'all do, y'all are still winners, man. Y'all don't know Platinum SC, man. Big up. St. Lucia, I tell y'all stop the killings, I love and unity in the place, you know, equal rights and justice for one and all. That is what are seeking for St. Lucia and St. Lucians, you understand? It's not for me. I good. Yeah, man. I need nothing. Yeah, man. It's for my people. I want y'all to unite and come together, Rasta. Don't make St. Lucia sweet once again, you understand? Yeah, don't let politics come in our way, Rasta. All them political minds, that is what fucking us up. Like we stick in the lynching thing, you understand? We lynch. Don't move under that lynch thing. Them white man philosophy rasta. You know by cap on fashion for. Well, them can vin about Jesus et religion. Cause ma moun vin parler about Jesus et religion rasta. Le vin parler about Jesus. Je vais voler, je vais murderer, je vais rapiste, je vais potika boule moun. C'est ça que je veux Jesus for. Je parle Jesus for. Je parle ça, c'est ça que je parle about là. Mais c'est destruction for. Ou pas mais cette religion qui a destruct moun for. Division c'est ça que je mets même comme politicien. Grâce à ça, moi ça c'est Christ. Emmanuel I, Selassie I. That is the names you'll have to call for me. Dreadful and terrible names, Rasta. Don't come with that Jesus thing, a man with white hair. You understand? With blue eye. That man not our God, guys. That man is illusion, Rasta. So only illusion is that believe in them, man. And all black people are going around selling Jesus. Stop that, guys. You understand? Even this church come and tell you all about Jesus is fake and all your activities about Christmas and things is fake. You still want to uplift them things. Black man, open your eye, Rasta. That's why you're going through all them fuckeries in our life, you know. All them pain, fighting each other, you understand? That Jesus thing, Rasta. I will take that for. Party about Jesus for. Et pas de moi about religion for. Moi c'est un quitting for. Moi fait la vie for as riche Mosai la for, ouais. Moi pas fait as a Catholic or as a Sundays or as a evangelical. Moi fait as Rasta, as a riche bon Dieu for, quitting for. So moi c'est Rasta for. I will tell you by Jesus for. Élevé cause os jeunes ouais for. Jeune qu'on nous sorti for pour nous savent qu'on nous aller for. C'est ça nous ka goumer on a l'autre check li for. Chebe on a l'autre descend for. A ou te se bay sa jeune we for. Et mettez toutes ces portes bouc blanc ça à terre for. Tie ces bouc blanc ça chase out for. Monsieur ni ka souffre for. Ou comprendre? Yo pas ça chebe no slavery se mene Jesus pour chebe no ni 2000 ans ne ga servi for Jesus ni zo toujours ça. A ou te bay Jesus ça for. Double bay l'église ça for. Last bay l'église la je zo malheureuse. Ou check li? Et c'est Kaboul, c'est pour ça qu'a payé by les potes boule moun for. Ah oui, c'est by ça jeune ouais. Aïe. Coutez ça pas qu'à dire for. Coutez moi. Coutez pas moi qu'à dire for. No grand nom mighty nom te vinn avant moi ça pas écouter yo. Vous comprenez? M'a dire coutez pas hein. Anyway man, y'all done no man. Peace and unity Saint Lucia man. Equal rights and justice for once and all. Saint Lucians home and abroad. Unity is the strength man. Come true man. Come and big up our country, man. Yeah, because all them big first world country, man, them things have to fall apart, man. Yeah, man. And in the Caribbean, they go on to come down where they hide us, you understand? In our paradise. So do what you're doing in the foreign and come home to the paradise, man. So when destruction come in America, Europe, and all Asia and all them places, we safe in them little Caribbean countries, Rasta. Jano. Well done, no solution. One love. I back at the talk show. Equal rights and justice for once and all. Yeah.